Here's my EdPuzzle.
Hi class! Today you're going to watch a video about cause and effect as you read a book called If You Give a Mouse a Cookie. I want you to look for cause and effect as you listen to this story. Why did the mouse want to do certain things? And what caused him to do that?
If you give a mouse a cookie, he's going to ask for a glass of milk. When you give him the milk, he'll probably ask you for a straw.
So there's the first stop, the first open-ended question, what made the mouse ask for a straw? So I'm going to write in, you gave him milk. And there's no correct answer on that one just because I wanted to personally grade theirs. And then I have to answer, is that a cause or effect? So we'll say that's a cause. And there's some feedback about the other right there.
When he's finished, he'll ask for a napkin. Then he'll want to look in the mirror to make sure he doesn't have a milk mustache. When he looks in the mirror, he might notice his hair needs a trim, so he'll probably ask for a pair of scissors. When he's finished giving himself a trim, he'll want a broom to sweep up. He'll start sweeping. He might get carried away and sweep every room in the house. He may even end up washing the floors as well. When he's done, he'll probably want to take a nap.
Okay, there's the next stop. This was supposed to be a true or false question. The cause of Mouse wanting to take a nap was that he was tired from cleaning the house. Select true and submit. And that was correct.
You'll have to fix up a little box for him with a blanket and a pillow. He'll crawl in, make himself comfortable, and fluff the pillow a few times. He'll probably ask you to read him a story. So you'll read him a story from one of your books, and he'll ask to see the pictures. When he looks at the pictures, he'll get so excited he'll want to draw one of his own. He'll ask for some paper and crayons.
And then the next question says, what was the effect of reading the mouse a book? That he wanted to see the pictures and wanted to draw his own. I mean, that's kind of a long answer for first grader, but that's what I'm going to answer. And then I wanted them to think about it. What would happen if the boy read you a book? So I would be happy and want to read even more books. Then I will probably only grade this first one. Yeah.
He'll draw a picture. When the picture is finished, he'll want to sign his name with a pen. Then he'll want to hang the picture on your refrigerator, which means he'll need...
I just wanted the students to predict and think about what he'll need. I'm going to guess he'll need, I don't know what a student would guess. He'll need a marker. Well, no. To hang his picture on the refrigerator, he'll need a cookie from, or no, maybe some milk. He'll need some milk from the fridge.
Scotch tape.
Oh, Scotch tape to hang it up.
He'll hang up his drawing and stand back and look at it. Looking at the refrigerator will remind him that he's thirsty. So, he'll ask for a glass of milk. And chances are, if he asks for a glass of milk, he's going to want a cookie to go with it.
Okay, we have some questions right here. This one says, what caused this room to become so messy? If you walked into this messy room, what effect would it have on you? And I just wanted students to think about that so they could apply cause and effect more to their lives. And then this one, which of the following was an effect in the story? Mouse wanting to go to the school, mouse asking you to read a story, or mouse eating an apple? The correct answer is this one. And it shows that it's correct. Okay, now we're all done, so you can show results. So Nat's just saying I got 3 out of 7 just because the other ones weren't graded. Yeah, the other ones are to be graded. So that's that. I'm going to go to gradebook. This is where all the students' progress would be. I logged in on another account and it shows here I am, and it shows that I have only spent 14 seconds watching. And it's showing that I have answered 1 out of 7 correct total. I only answered 2 questions so far and one of them wasn't graded. So that's how I can see the progress of each person. I can even see like the answers that they submitted and then like what they answered and the ones that they have not answered yet. So that will be super helpful. So that's the student progress. And then I can go back to my class to watch the movie right here, or the video. And here's another way I can see student progress is how much they've watched, their grade, when they last watched it, whether they've turned it in or if it's on time or not. And there's me right there.